This week I'm testing the Skoda Kamiq. It's a small 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Kamiq there are Isofix in the two outer seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three seats, clearly labelled and within plastic guides. Now they also have luggage hooks on top of them, which is a fantastic design, very Skoda-ish. Now I could fit two child seats in the back here really nicely. There's not a room for a third in the middle or for someone to sit there. Now legroom isn't bad in here. We could fit a 182 centimetre passenger in front of a rear-facing child seat on the passenger side of the car, and in front of a forward-facing child seat we could fit a 182 centimetre driver. Storage in the back of the Kamiq is quite minimal. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold an iPad, and the door bins are really small. I could just get a refillable water bottle in there. There are aircon vents in the back of the Kamiq, which is really good for keeping little passengers in the back cool. And there's USB-C sockets down there too. In the front, the storage is slightly better. The cup holders in the central console are a strange size, so we found only a disposable coffee cup would fit, a reusable or a water bottle wouldn't fit in there. There is a small central console box behind them and a wireless phone charging well in front. There's also a USB-C socket in there too. The glove box is a good size that will hold my iPad and wallet with the manual. There's a glasses case in the ceiling, and the door bins are a better size in the front. They'll hold a water bottle and an iPad. The boot of the Kamiq opens automatically and silently, which is fantastic. Now this boot is crammed full of family-friendly features. The top tether anchorages also double as luggage hooks. There's lots of cargo nets for separating your things. There's a torch on the left-hand side, and the floor is also rubber on one side too. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will hold 10 shopping bags, or a twin stroller and 2 shopping bags, or a double pram and 2 shopping bags, a single pram and 2 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 4 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. The Kamiq is a nice little car to drive. It feels like good quality, it's got light steering and it's quite nippy. It's a nice, easy little car to drive around town and to park in supermarkets and school car parks. The media system in the Kamiq is relatively easy and simple to use. I do like the driver assist screen where you can easily turn things on and off how you like them. One of the things I don't like is the air conditioning. You can only turn the fan speed up and down on the screen here, which is really quite difficult to use while you're driving along. Now it does have CarPlay and Android Auto, which is fantastic. And when you put it into reverse, the camera image is a little bit milky, but you can easily turn the parking sensors off on the screen up here. So to sum up with the Kamiq, it's quite a nice little SUV for a family of 4. 2 child seats fit nicely in the back, the media system and cameras are good, and it's a nice little car to drive.